Let's melt chocolate on LG oven. It's very simple. You need to select the charcoal setting and click until you get 5. After that, click on start, and then using this dial you need to select 16. Once selected, click on start and it will show our timing. You can increase or decrease the timing according to the amount of the chocolate you have. If you are using this first time, please keep checking because there are chances of burning the chocolate. You can then use spoon to just melt it over.